Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all and welcome to Authentic Media. It just got to my notice that a lot of us have been leaving a lot of coins on the table in this platform called SME, and that is basically what we are going to be talking about in this particular video. So pay close attention. But before we do that, I want us to talk about this team up to split BTC first of all, so that most of you guys will really know what it entails and how to participate in it. So you can see my dashboard right here. Team up to split BTC. So this is it. It is a pool that is currently going on. So if you open it this way, let's open it and see what comes up. Let's wait for it to load up. We are having bad network right here. The weather is not fun in my location, so the network is somehow fluctuating. Okay, so this is the dashboard right here. If you take a look at my screen right here, you are going to see that I've already created my own alliance team, which is the Authentic Media community. So I will urge everybody to make sure to use the link in the description section and comment section of this particular video and join our alliance team. Right, you can see my progress and how far we have to go. So do well to join our alliance team with the link in the description section and comment section of this video. It's going to be all over our social media platform, and this is what you have to do. You have to join other people's team and also create your own, right? So after you are done joining, then create your own alliance team and join our community chat room, the Authentic chat room, so that you will post your own link there. Then our community members will also reciprocate as well, right? As we are joining our own, we are joining your own. It's that simple. So that we all will team up and see what's up at the end of this pool, right? So if you take a look at my screen right here, you guys will see that the countdown is 9 days, few hours, and few minutes to go. So we just have to play our part and see what happens at the end of the pool. Okay, so that is just the first thing we want to talk about. Now let's get down to the main business of today. All right, so this is the interface of the SME platform, right? This is it. If you come to this particular button right here, so this is where we are going to be getting the update, right? So you click on it. This is where we have been earlier. So you scroll up to the last and see this particular campaign that says Global Social Sharing Carnival, join and win. So you have to open this button. Let's see what is happening. Like I said earlier, I have not closely been paying attention to this, but I just pay attention and see that we have been leaving a lot of coins on the table in this particular platform. So if you are like me that have not been paying attention, it's high time you pay attention to details. Now, what is this campaign all about? You can see Global Sharing Carnival, join and win, join the SME mining contest now, download the app, blah blah blah. So what we basically do here is every day you just have to come here and click on this one click button. This is every 24 hours event. Click on this one click share button, then you share your write-up. That is just the post, or let me say the invite write-up, everything to your Telegram and to your Twitter. Okay, you just copy the link of your post, submit it here, right? Then they will verify you, and after they verify you, you are going to be receiving 50 SME, right? Then you do the same thing to your Twitter as well. You are going to be receiving 50 SME. Like, guys, this is not something that we should take for granted, because a lot of us are mining and we are not getting up to 100 SME tokens every day. Yes, even me that mines nothing less than 10,000 power every 24 hours, I don't even get up to 100 SME tokens within 3 good days, right? So, and this particular campaign is giving us the opportunity to get 100 free tokens every day, which is equivalent to $1 as the value of SME token right now. So I don't really have any reason that we should not take this serious. So this is what you basically do. Every day you just have to come here. Every 24 hours it used to reset. So you click on this one click share button, you wait for them to bring you to this interface. All you have to do is just to share to your Telegram, copy the link, then share to your Twitter, copy the link, come and paste it, and after verifying it, you receive your reward. Very simple. So let me quickly do that. Starting with my Telegram, right? So even though you don't have a Telegram group or a Telegram channel or anything, all you have to do is just to share to anywhere that you feel like you can share. You can share to search engine, you can share to any community that you can share, or better still, create a chat or a group. Even though it is your personal chat or personal group, just share it there. The most important thing you need is the link. It doesn't matter if the group don't have any audience in it at all. They don't read it. Just share it anywhere, even though it's an empty group, and copy the link. So I'm going to be sharing it in my community, Authentic Media, right here. Okay, so this is it, and all I have to do is just to click on this button that says share. This share button, I'll click on it and copy the link. Very simple. So I'll minimize it, come back here. Okay, wait for it to load up. So I have to take out this button, then click on this verify link, paste it right here, then click on submit. Let's wait for them. Okay, you can see submission successful. Now we have already submitted our Telegram, and you can now see it's under review. Okay, you can see in review right here. So we just have to wait for them to verify it. So you quickly do the same thing to your X. Okay, just do the same thing to your S post. We are not sharing to any direct message. Just share to your S post. Okay, let's wait for it to come up. Then just share automatically. The way they bring it up, just share. Then minimize it. Go to your S and copy the link. So let me quickly do that. Okay, so this is my S dashboard right here, and you can see the post that I just made 4 seconds ago. So I'll just have to click on this small share button right here to get the link. Click on it right here, then click on this copy link right here. Then I'll minimize it and also come back right here. Okay, then I'll click on verify Twitter link. I'll paste the link right there. Then I'll click on submit again. Okay, let's see. You can see submission successful. The 2 actions are now in review. So now I want to show you guys my dashboard before we proceed, so that you guys will know what I have. So let me bring you guys to the main interface. So I have $53 equal 3.72k thousand worth of SME token. So let's go back now. After you are done sharing, all you have to do is just to refresh it. Let's see if they have verified it. And if they have not verified you, you just have to refresh it. Okay, they have verified this particular Telegram own, and the Twitter one is still under verification. So we just have to refresh it. Let's click and claim Telegram own first. You can see we have already claimed Telegram own. So you can come back, then go back again. Just a kind of a way to refresh your button. Very simple. Okay, it's still under review, so you just have to give them small time, come back. And alright, so if you take a look at my screen right here, you see that I already verified the Twitter task as well. Within few seconds, everything has been verified. So all I have to do is just to click on the claim button, and you will see claim successful. So now let's go back and check our balance. Let's see if truly they are adding these coins to us. You guys know what I have. Initially I have 3.72k, which equals $53. Now I have 3.82k equals $54. So this is a very gold mine opportunity, guys. If you have not been taking this particular chance, if you have not been taking this particular opportunity, then do well to start taking it every 24 hours. It is a 24 hours task, and mind you guys, it's not going to last forever. It's just a contest that is currently going on, and it is in progress. So let's use this particular time and rack up a lot of SME tokens. All right, so do well to do the needful, and I'll see you guys in our next video. So that is just basically that in this particular update. All right, so till I come your way next time, stay safe, make your day a beautiful one, and see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.